Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate temporary free access during special events or holidays, follow these step-by-step instructions to unlock premium features without long-term commitments. Step 1. Visit the official website or open the app of the service offering the promotional free access during the event or holiday period. Step 2. Look for banners or announcements about the temporary free access promotion. These are usually displayed prominently on the homepage or in the promotions section. Step 3. Click on the promotional offer to view the terms and conditions, including the duration of free access and any restrictions that may apply. Step 4. Sign in to your existing account or create a new account if you don't have one. Make sure to use a valid email address for account verification. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate the free access. This may involve clicking an Activate Now button or entering a promotional code if provided. Step 6. Verify your activation by checking your account settings or subscription status to confirm that the temporary free access has been successfully applied. Step 7. Enjoy the premium features during the promotional period. Set a reminder for when the free access expires to avoid unexpected charges if the service requires payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.